Actually, I do. I like it on my tummy next to somebody.
Don't mind me, Gavin. Silly bud.
Who is that? Say hi, Aunt Chris. Hi, Uncle Brett. Hi, Nana. Say hi. Be gentle. Sure you put crumbs in her hair. Want to give her a cookie?
Like I said, that's what he's gonna do.
You want to give her a cookie?
Say no, they're my cookies.
I think your eyelashes are getting longer and thicker, huh?
We're zooming in.
Oh no. We're zooming in. Zoom in.
Oh, so peepers are open.
Zoom in. Gentle. Gentle. Good boy. That's a good boy, Gavin. You want to give her a kiss?